part 5 of what I eat in a week videos. I'll probably take a break from this type of video for now, just so I can explore some other video ideas, but I'll definitely come back to it. Anyways, for the first thing I made, it was a PB&J French toast. So I just put peanut butter on one side and strawberry chia jam on the other. And then for the mixture, it's just 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of milk, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. And then I just added a bunch of cinnamon. Sorry, I had to film this part on Snapchat because I ran out of storage, but it was so good. I love PB&Js on their own, but the French toast part made it so soft. I didn't want to waste the leftover egg mixture, so I just added some tapioca flour and made crepes. They were okay, but I did what I could. And then I had some popcorn wheat thins for a snack, and then for dinner I had a Vietnamese vermicelli bowl. I made these black sesame waffles and they're like conveniently vegan because I didn't have egg at home, but it's just a 1/4 cup of applesauce, 1/2 tablespoon of maple syrup, a 1/4 cup of almond milk, a tablespoon and a half of grinded black sesame or black sesame powder, and then I added a 1/2 cup of oat flour and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. I topped it with some maple syrup and black sesames. I was still hungry, so I made a little flatbread cheese pizza. For dinner, we had eggs, cauliflower, tasio, sausage, and beef balls. Beef balls. Okay, I made this sandwich without much expectation, but it was so good. So I started off with pesto and then goat cheese, which I found out that I absolutely love, and then tomatoes and avocado. Look how pretty. And then I added 1 egg, and sadly the yolk burst, but it's okay. And then I added some turkey, some chili flakes. The chili flakes were supposed to go earlier, but then I forgot, so I just added them to the bread, which was kind of dumb because it just kind of fell everywhere, but it's beautiful. The sandwich was so good, my dad had it for lunch twice in a row, so yeah, it's super easy too. For dinner, I made salmon. This was in 3 portions, so I ate it over the course of like 2 days. I first added salt and pepper and paprika and rubbed that in, and then as you can see, I also have some chopped garlic on the side. Oh, I never measure my garlic, I just put a lot of it because I love garlic. And then I put 2 tablespoons of butter, added the garlic, and then about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, except I think I put too much, like it was kind of salty. And then I added some honey, maybe like a tablespoon. I had it with an arugula and spinach salad, which kind of neutralized the saltiness, but in the salad I added strawberries, avocado, goat cheese, chili peppers, and in the dressing I put lemon juice, honey, a bit of oil, salt, and balsamic. Here's me finding different ways to eat popcorn so you don't get bored of me eating popcorn every single day. I made tamagoyaki, which is like this rolled egg dish. So I added 2 eggs, about 3 tablespoons of corn, but I honestly didn't really measure it, and then some turkey. I switched around these ingredients a couple times because I made it a couple times this week, and honestly anything tastes good in it. And then I also made a different sandwich because I was obsessed with sandwiches this week. This time it's a peanut butter pickle chili oil sandwich. So it was just peanut butter, pickles, and chili oil, obviously. And yeah. I triple? What's the equivalent of paired for 3 things? Anyways, I had that with some salmon from the night before. I would say this combo may sound a bit weird, but it was actually so good. And then I tried to make black sesame mochi donuts. I'll just link a recipe in the description. I don't know if they turned out exactly how I liked them, but it was a good first try and it wasn't bad. I had the same salad as last time, but I added some tomato. I finished off the last piece of salmon and made another egg roll. I decided to make some lemon yogurt oat flour pancakes, and they turned out so good, and the lemon flavor was really fragrant. And look at how fluffy the baking powder or baking soda made it. I don't know how that happened, but it was super fluffy. And then look at these awesome flips. Yeah, I'm so skilled. And then I topped it with some yogurt and blueberry compote. I don't know, I cooked the blueberries with some sugar and lemon juice. And then I added a slice of lemon for the aesthetic. 이번엔 다른 것 같아. 정말 다른 것 같아. 진지해요. for dinner, I first made this smashed cucumber dish. So I took out all my anger on this cucumber by smashing it with a cleaver, and then I sliced it into pieces. And then I added 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, some sesame oil, I was running out, and then some salt. And then you just assemble by adding the smashed cucumber, a couple cloves of garlic, the sauce, and as much chili oil as you'd like. And then I made my eel in the rice cooker. It's like this pre-made eel. And then I also made another egg roll, and yeah. My friend gave me this built bar, and then I microwaved it like Linda's son does, and it was really good. So I started off by making this Japanese spinach salad with sesame dressing. I'll link the recipe. It's super easy. I was chopping some onions and I couldn't stop crying. It was so painful. And I tried the TikTok hack where you wet a piece of paper and put it on the cutting board, but it didn't work! Look at that paper. Look at it. It's there, but it's not working. Anyway, I made some omu rice. It's not the one where you have to like cut it open and look super cool, but this version is still cool to me. I cut up 1 chicken breast, 1 pepper, a carrot, and like half an onion. So you're supposed to use ketchup, but I didn't have ketchup, so I used like 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and half a teaspoon of sugar. I think it still works, like it was still really good, it's just not authentic, I guess, but I linked the recipe and my measurements might be a little bit off in the voiceover, so be sure to check that out. And then for the egg, I cracked 2 eggs with 1 hand each, and then I added salt and pepper and a tablespoon of milk. Oh, nice. Nice. She's so cute. Oh my god. You're supposed to use ketchup to draw whatever you want, but I used sriracha because I didn't have ketchup, and I really liked it with sriracha. Look how cute it is! I was so proud of myself. So good. The omu rice was so filling that I just had something really simple for dinner. It was just avocado toast with goat cheese and arugula. Thanks for watching, my friends. Goodbye. See you next time.